The lady, take her right over.
Family business.
Anything ready, is it? Dance, let's do it. Let's do the stir fry, stir fry, Good morning. Say good morning, Maya. Yeah. So I'm heading to the nail tech and I'm gonna get my lashes done today. That's about it for the morning. Then I have quite a few other stuff to get on the road, you know. I want to pick up some stuff at the store. What else I wanted? Oh yes, pick up some packages. Remember packet for you? Yes, so I have to pick up my packages as well. No, when we're coming back I can get it. Yeah. Oh my god! What? Oh my god! My sister! Oh, it would be so nice. Lord, well that's that. Put on the seatbelt. Due to how I changed plans totally, no nails no doing now, but I went to collect my packages anyways. When I got there, Brittany got her packages, but I hear people complaining that them package no reach. And at this point, I was just so over it because imagine waiting so long to collect a package and it's not there. Anyways. Are you seeing mine? Are you seeing mine? Yeah. You make me nervous now. Yeah. Yeah, I have my delivery person collecting my stuff. Thank you, delivery person. Summer is out, the place is hot, literally hot. So we came to the pool today, went to a little cooking. Whatever that's all she care about in the food. Mommy, alright?
I am.
The lady eating her food, you know?
You know, see that? It's yummy.
Jerk sausage, yummy. This is really good. Let me show you guys what's happening. Marlon on the grill as always. One thing with Marlon chicken, you know, always shelling out. Always shell. Mia, are you going in the pool? Ready? Say cheese, Mia. Cheese. Do the pose that I taught you. Do the pose that I taught you. Look. Mia.
I got Daniel.
Alright, never mind. He does look like Nathaniel. I thought the same thing. I thought the same thing. He does look like Nathaniel. So the man of him red stripe, you know. I'm gonna show you what's happening inside. Woo! Festive. One thing with our family, we're going to grill and we're going to just have fun and vibe. Woo! Can you swim? Can you? Come do the dance, auntie. Let's do the dance, let's do it. Let's do the stir fry, stir fry, stir fry, Eva Grace. Mwah. Mwah.
So Eva, come to the dancing.
Mommy angel. Hey.
Kiss mommy.
Okay, Ava, let's go see what they're doing. Are you ready? Give Auntie kiss. Okay, I guess not. Give Auntie kiss, Eva. Mwah. Ah. Mwah. No, you're not in the mood. Because Auntie woke the baby up just to take her to the pool. Right, Eva? Are you mad at me? What? Ava hates the pool, but she's so excited to go in it today. Are you excited, Ava? Ava, are you excited? Say yeah! No, she's still not excited. But look who is. Hi, Mia.
Put on your glasses.
Are you having fun, Mia? No?
Kick your legs, kick your legs, kick your legs.
Go, Mia. Go, Mia. Go, Mia. Big swimmer now. Big swimmer. Stop that, Mia.
Ava's turn.
Ava's turn.
Eva's turn.
Ah.
Daddy. 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 Daddy.
Yay, wait.
Daddy, jump.
No, no, Mia. No, no jumping.
Wait, Mia.
On the beat, it's that each.
Nice. Yay.
The lady, take her right over.
Family business.
Anything ready as this?
It's that each.
So good to be outside. Warm, right? Right, Mia? Are you hot?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's hot out here, but we like it. So here's the thing. Jerking 101. So the first step is to fan the smoke away by doing this. Right? Yeah. I wonder if when you put it over there, it's going to drop. Okay,
Yes,
see, it stays right there.
Hey.
What you want, leg and thigh?
No, man. It's here that Ava can have.
Yeah, but it's just not ready yet. Just give us another minute. Assistant? No. I'll leave. Jerky, no, man. Chop it up. Choppings, never clappings. That is it, brother. That is it.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. To us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. But we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off every load, bad time, things sit down in a I ring like hello, brother. Say I just saw them, saw you post the spectacular. Keep burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your falling and live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the burning, so just to the plus. Yeah. My gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings for all my American.
Mommy, why you do that? The lady took
You
my
know,
food.
ask somebody to hold jerk chicken for you.
The lady took my food.
Right. Don't do that.
Three down. It's a fire.
Yeah? Are you having fun? Are you having fun?
No, it's not.
You like?
Ready?
But I was with the friends that take off the road one time.
Everywhere this lady goes, she take selfies. You think you're a diva or something, do you? Yeah, these are gonna be cute, and these are the colors too. You can get this.
In a class, so important, all this in the road, and me go on with it, go on with it. Just so all blessings upon me. And send me to tell them a story. Just so all blessings upon me.
The lady came into Fontana for 2 items, and look at her now. Brit, when I have luck with this place, and I remember Angie. You see how Brittany step off? You see how step off here? Step off. When we tell her to step off, step off, step off, step off, step off, step off, Angie, step off. Angie, step off.
So I'm here to give him the job, breathe, I'm in the light. Jah knows I'm a passion ignited. Got the music, get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life.
Deep and wide, deep and wide, now she's ready to go. Deep and wide.
But thank God for the journey, the earning, the dust to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings for all my American. But I toast with the friends that take off the road one time. Sit down in a class and we put them all this in the road and me go on with the road. To us, to us. Oh, in the rise and board. Yeah, we give thanks.
Mia, are you getting ice cream? Huh? Yeah, okay. You getting ice cream, Brittany?
No. Watching my way.
I can see that. Cheesecake. You don't have any cheesecake? What's that, fruit basket or something? That red one with the thingy, what's that? Or is it strawberry? Alright, I'll take grape nuts. What flavor are you taking, Ava? Ava, what flavor are you taking? Go, Mia. Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah?
There's a color.
You can have some. Nice. Not like Devon House ice cream. Come on, Mia.
We give thanks that we're supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earning, the dust to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, we see blessings fall on my right hand. Also toast with the friends that take off the road one time. Sit down in a class.